Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to turn off two-step verification on your phone. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily turn off two-step verification in your Gmail account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if it happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now the first place, all you need to do is to open your App Store or your Play Store. Now once you open your App Store or your Play Store, then you need to make sure your Gmail application is updated to the latest version. So you have to make sure your Gmail application is updated. So you can see my Gmail over here. Now once you have updated your Gmail application, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open your Gmail. Now once you open your Gmail, you need to make sure you are using the account that you want to disable or turn off two-step verification. Now once you have selected to that account, then you click on manage your Google account. Now once you click on manage your Google account, all you need to do is to scroll to where you can see security. Just click on security, and once you click on security you can see two-step verification. Just click on this option and then wait as it is loading. Now it will demand for your password, so you have to enter your password of your Gmail account. So let me enter my password over here. So let me enter my password. Okay, then you click on next. Now once you click on next, you can see over here turn off. Now once you click on turn off, you can see all you need to do is to click on it, and you can see by turning off two-step verification you will only use a password or passkey to sign in. All you need to do is to click on turn off, and by clicking on turn off, that's it. So with this you can just turn off two-step verification on your phone. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new